Now in this tutorial, we're going to be solving another exercise about congruent triangles. In the figure below, show that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle CEB. So let's zoom into the diagram to work with both triangles AEB and the triangle CEB. So to start off with this triangle, let's look at what we have as given. We have these two angles given equal to each other. In such case, ABE and CBE, these two triangles, as well as this common side. We also have a common side equal. So this is what we need to look at. Another thing, these two angles. This pair must be equal in order to prove these triangles congruent. And that is because both of these angles are forming a straight line with equal angles. So angle BEA plus angle AED is equal to 180 degrees since it's a straight angle. Another thing is the angle BEC and the angle CED, also forming 180 degrees when added, also straight angle. And so in such case, we also know that AED is equal to DEC as given in this diagram. So we say, but AED is equal to CED. And so in such case, after this given information, we can say that both angles that are added to AED and CED are equal. And so in such case, the difference is also equal. And in such case, BEA and BEC, since when adding them to equal angles, they form 180. So these two triangles are congruent after proving these two angles equal. So then BEA is equal to BEC by comparison. Now, after proving the common side and the given angles equal, we now have the two triangles AEB and CEB congruent by ASA, angle side angle. Now part B, it says angle EAD and angle ECD. So to prove EAD equal to ECD, we need to prove these two triangles congruent to each other. We do not know the measurements of these two angles, but by proving them congruent, we can find that they're equal. And the two triangles EAD and EDC. Let's take a look at what we have. At first, as given, we have both angles AED and DEC, and also a common side ED. And these two sides, EA and EC, are definitely equal, since in part A, we have proven the upper triangles congruent to each other. So they are equal to each other as corresponding sides in congruent triangles. And so in such case, we say AE equal to EC, corresponding sides from part A. So after we have proven two sides and one angle, the two triangles are congruent by SAS. Now, after we have proven these two to be congruent, then we can say that angles EAD and ECD are equal.